I am about to tattoo myself. This design won't be this size, but it'll be the design. Have everything kind of set up here. I'm gonna use I was thinking about using a 3 round liner, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with a 6. Hopefully that's not a mistake. You know, we'll try it out. Maybe I'll do a couple lines. If it seems too thick, I'll do a 3. But yeah, so this is my stencil. And this is a design that I just got off of Pinterest, so this is going to be my first time using petroleum jelly to help my lines glide easier. First time using a wireless power source for my tattoo gun, so my first time doing it wirelessly. Yeah, so let's shave my leg and put the stencil on there. Alright, I reversed it, and I think I made the size a little smaller. Let's see if this one works better. Just made it onto the whole page. I'm liking that more. Let's give that a shot. Alrighty, so I got my leg all shaved. Let's get this stencil ready. So one thing you'll find in this tattoo is, you know, it's just me tattooing myself. If I was tattooing an actual person, then I would take the, you know, the sanitization and everything a heck of a lot more seriously, like, you know, how you're supposed to do it. But for myself, you know, I'm gonna take it a little bit more relaxed. That's why you saw me shave my leg like a pirate, just with my pocket knife. And ideally I would be using gloves even right now when I'm doing the stencil, but blah blah blah. Just so you guys know. Let's check the size and everything. So it won't be going on like that, it'll be going on the other way, but I think that's pretty good size. Alrighty, so I have my shin here, all shaved. Got the sizing of the stencil, pretty good. Got the gloves on, because now it's time to get some cleaning going on. I just randomly found these wipes. And I was like, oh, awesome, this is perfect for tattooing. So that's why I didn't even know they were that small. Yeah, the alcohol is out. Now it's really starting to smell like I'm getting an actual tattoo. Well, I am getting an actual tattoo. Alrighty. This is gonna be the first time I put a stencil on with gloves. Hopefully it doesn't mess it up too much. I'm actually going to take off my gloves to put the stencil on just because I can already tell I'm not going to have enough control with those. Have you ever seen a person put a tattoo stencil on that nervous and shaky? I don't think I put maybe enough stencil stuff up there. It's kind of, uh-oh. Hopefully I didn't just F that up. Alright. Grand reveal. Let's see if it's effed into oblivion. Whew. That looks pretty good. Obviously, it came up a little bit down there, but that is pretty much perfect in my opinion. Now, from my understanding, it is supposed to be pointing inward. If that's why you're wondering, you're like, oh, it's supposed to be pointing out. I don't know. I'm gonna go ask my parents what they think of the sizing and everything, and let's give it a shot. Alrighty, so they think that the placement and everything is good, so I'm just gonna let it dry, and let's do this thing. Alrighty, I'm just letting my stencil dry here, but this is the setup. This is the first time I'm going to be using this tattoo gun with a wireless battery. I just got this in the mail today. Haven't even turned it on. 6-round liner. I'm going to be using petroleum jelly to help glide, you know, have my reference there, my ring light, my stencil reference. And just a peek behind the scenes, this is kind of building a little collection here of stuff I've done on the you know, the fake skin. So yeah, just letting it dry fully, and then the angle is going to be something like this. So, you know, hopefully you'll be able to see as much, like maybe I wonder what, does 2.5 look good? I think that might be a little too much, but yeah, hopefully this will be a pretty good angle for y'all. I wonder if that's better. You just get a nice view of my crotch. I think that's good.
Entrance way possible is over there, or really?
Yeah, that's right here.
Oh, okay, yeah. Or there's 2 ramps on either side, but you gotta go to those. Don't try to climb over. Doc Brown, you ready for this shit?
Let's do it!
Show. Here he comes. He's going backwards, going literally the wrong way. Hell yeah, I like his approach. All the way to the, if you want to get to the front, you gotta go to the back sometimes. You know what I mean? Here he comes. He brought his Michelob Ultra. What?
You probably heard it before, you know, like,
I feel like every time I say.
All right, first line, here we go.
How old are you?
26.
26. You don't look at what you do for work.
I haven't even started, and I know this is going to be more difficult than I thought, just of the location. All right, first line. Not too bad. Time for time-lapse mode. Okay, so it's going pretty good, but I'm only this far in, and my foot is like tingling, like falling asleep. So hopefully, I'm not sure, but it's going pretty good. The pain actually isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, and I'm really glad I went with a 6-round liner. I think that'll be a perfect thickness for it.
I smoked it. 4, 3. Or 4.
All right, so I don't know, I don't know how long I'm in to the tattoo, but this is what it's looking like so far. I don't know. So okay. So basically, this has been really hard on my body, especially my left hip and my foot. My foot keeps completely falling asleep because I'm in this position, stretching tight. So what I'm gonna do is finish the lining on the wings and then call it for today. And then next time I do it, all I'll have to do is the shading in the wings and then the shading in the body and some final touch-up stuff, and it'll be done. So you'll see me finish the lining of the wings today, and then the shot you see after that is going to be the day after.
Nice one.
Foot and get him.
Nice. Wait, then I push up B Street because
I'm going to cover B Street for you.
I'm just chilling down right now. Stencil.
That's how we're looking day one. So there's a couple lines, like, you know, right here where, I mean, obviously there's a bunch of mistakes that I'll need to go over again. So I'll need to shade the stomach and general retouches. I'm gonna make the glint in the eye more prominent, smooth the shading out a little bit more, and obviously add the shading in the wings. But for the most part, I am actually very happy with how it came out. It was funny because down here, it literally didn't hurt at all. It was very weird. I don't know if it was adrenaline or what, but as the tattoo went on, it was starting to hurt real bad, especially around the head, and then doing these lines at the end were killer. But real happy with how it went so far, and yeah, we'll finish it up with the next one. All right, everybody, I believe it's probably like 2 weeks later or something like that. I basically let it go, let it heal as long as I could, you know, stand it. It was, you know, it's kind of annoying having an unfinished tattoo on your body sitting there. When you show people, you're like, yeah, you know, it's not finished, just so you know, blah, blah. So, yeah, pretty much, you know, I don't know, relatively healed. You know, it's still for sure scabby, and, you know, all the details, just like scabs and whatever, but, so, today we're going to finish it up. I'm going to finish the little lines, you know, little things that I messed up. Fixing the little things here. So, shading the wings, touching things up, and shading the stomach, and then I'm gonna have a done bird tattoo. All right, let's do this. Don't touch me, doctor. I'm sterile. All right, let's do this. All right, so I was kind of curious on if I should switch to a mag. So I switched to a mag, and I don't know, it's like the ink flow for this just like, let's see, I'll try and see if I just filled it. It's just not, yeah, see, it's just not hitting as well as I want it to. So switching back to the 7 round liner. I'm so close to being done, but for whatever reason, it's so painful right here. I'm just trying to not rush it, but it's very difficult. Oh, holy crap. I am calling it for today, but I cannot handle any more of that. Ooh. That last bit, that last wing, that shading is gonna look like so. I gotta go in and do those tips again, or else I won't be happy with myself. Oh, no. That needs to be done. Gotta do what you gotta do. Just gonna blast. Yeah. Just tell myself that it doesn't hurt, because, you know, it doesn't. Doesn't hurt one bit. Yeah, that doesn't hurt. What I'm doing right now doesn't hurt. Yep. Alrighty. better. Alright, let me clean up, put everything away, and I'll show you the final thing. So the shading on that looks horrendous. Probably should have just left it unshaded, but that side looks good. This was so bad. Like the, I guess from afar it won't be too bad, but, and I'll fix it obviously, but the adrenaline had run out by the end, and it was just unbearable. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you want to see more videos of me tattooing myself. I definitely am going to do some geometric stuff on my legs. And yeah, thank you guys very much for watching.